This 5-minute solution will show you how to check iPhone IP address without Wi-Fi. To find or check your iPhone IP address without Wi-Fi, make sure to connect to cellular data and then go to a browser, and here simply type find my IP address and search for it. Now here you have to open this website, what'smyip.com, and here you will get your iPhone IP address. And the best way to find your iPhone IP address is go to your iPhone settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on this info button next to the Wi-Fi you are using, and here tap on IP address, and here you will get your IP address. Basically this is the best method to find your IP address. This is accurate. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.